Are credit repair companies legit? Credit repair companies claim to help consumers improve their credit score by disputing inaccurate information on their credit report. However, the legitimacy of these companies can be questionable as some engage in deceptive practices. Consumers should understand that they have the right to dispute any inaccurate information on their credit report themselves, for free. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, requires the three credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, to investigate disputes and remove any inaccurate information. The FCRA also provides consumers with the right to sue credit bureaus and creditors that violate the law. Credit repair companies charge consumers a fee for services that they can perform themselves, for free. The fees can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars, and consumers may not see any significant improvement in their credit score. In some cases, credit repair companies may make false promises and use tactics that are illegal or unethical, such as creating a new credit identity for the consumer. Credit repair companies may also use tactics that are short-lived or only temporarily improve a consumer's credit score. For example, a credit repair company may dispute all negative information on a consumer's credit report, regardless of its accuracy. This may result in the removal of accurate information, which can actually lower the consumer's credit score. Additionally, some credit repair companies may make false or misleading statements, such as guaranteeing a certain credit score increase or promising to remove all negative information from a credit report. These statements are illegal under the Credit Repair Organizations Act, CROA, which regulates credit repair organizations. Consumers should also be cautious of companies that ask for payment before they provide any services. Legitimate credit repair companies should not ask for payment until they have completed the services they promised. Consumers should also be wary of companies that ask for personal information, such as social security numbers or bank account numbers, before providing any services. In conclusion, credit repair companies may not be worth the money, as consumers can dispute inaccurate information on their credit report themselves, for free. Consumers should be cautious of companies that make false promises or use illegal or unethical tactics. Before working with a credit repair company, consumers should research the company and read reviews from other consumers to ensure that they are legitimate. It is always recommended to take control of your own credit and financial situation by regularly reviewing your credit reports, paying bills on time, and managing debt. Making these changes can help improve your credit score over time without having to pay for the services of a credit repair company.